Welcome to the next video in our sequence of solving basic equations. What you're going to notice on these is that now you have more than one letter or more than one number on a side, and we have to figure out how to do that. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to combine like terms. I have a whole separate video on combining like terms. So if I say combine like terms and that freaks you out a little bit, go back and find the combining like terms video. It'll really help you out. Okay? Now, here's the confusion that usually happens. When I see 3x plus 2x, all I'm going to do is combine them. What's 3x plus 2x? The answer is 5x. That's all I do. Here's the confusion. You were used to those two-step problems where when you see this, the initial reaction people have is to go, a minus 2x, minus 2x. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. Do I minus the 2x here? Wait, where do I minus the 2x? I'm not sure. Well, here's the problem. You don't minus the 2x. Remember, you only do the opposite when you want to cross over and move it to the other side. Here, they're both on the same side. If they're on the same side, you don't do the opposite. You only do that if I want that 2x to go over here. I don't want it to go over there. I want x's on one side, I want numbers on the other. Well, I have that. They're just not combined. So if they're on the same side, you just put them together. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Equals, copy down to 15. Once you've combined the like terms, this is a simple one-step problem. That's 5 times x, so I'm going to divide by 5. And my answer is x equals 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Let's go to the next one. 6y minus y. Don't do this. 6 equals 30. That's usually what I'll see. People go y minus y and make it work like that. Now remember, if you combine like terms and there's not a number, it's assumed to be a 1, okay? So that's really like a 1y in front if they don't write it. So if it helps you, write the 1. So I have 6 y's, and I took away 1 y. So if I have 6 y's in my hand and somebody pulled a y out, maybe they're alphabet noodles, I don't know. But if I had 6 y's and I lost one, I'm left with 5 y's, and that's going to equal 30, okay? And again, very similar to what we did before, we're going to divide by 5. Boom, y equals 6. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, these get a little trickier, so let's watch this. I have numbers on one side, letters on the other. Doesn't matter if they're left or right, remember? So let's go ahead and combine these. 4 minus 8, I hate that. That's okay. Add a line, change the sign. Signs are this now an addition problem. Signs are different. Subtract them, keep the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. Equals, remember that's a 1x. 1x plus 3x is 4x. Okay? I don't know why I'm doing this in red. I always work these out in black. Sorry about that. I'll go, let's keep it red. Why not? What do I divide by? You have to divide by the coefficient, which means the number in front of the letter. So boom, that's going to be a 4. Boom, that's going to be a 4. They die, and I get x equals, what's a negative 4 divided by 4? A negative 1. But the x is on the right. That's okay. No problem at all. Don't let that worry you, okay? Let's go to this one right here. Negative 6 minus 9. The dreaded subtraction problem. That's okay. Add a line, change the sign. Now it's an addition problem. Signs are the same, so we add them, and we keep the sign. Okay? Equals, I have a negative 6s plus a 3x. We're going to copy the x, just do the negative 6 plus 3, and you'll get a negative 3x. Divide each side by a negative 3. Remember, you got to use the sign as well, and you're going to get x equals 5, and I don't care what side they're on, as long as they're on opposite sides, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's the basic of how to do problems that have like terms on the same side. The big takeaway I want you to get from this is that you don't move things across, okay? All you do is, if they're on the same side of the equal sign, same side, it's combine like terms. Do the opposite, where, here I would go maybe a plus y or something like that. That only happens if we cross over the equal sign, and we're not crossing over. That's why we combine instead. I'm going to have some practice worksheets. Look at the videos, work some out, do some on your own, watch my explanation, and I think you'll really understand these by the end.